today I'm praying and another chapter. This will be chapter 19, or as chapter of Javascript for kids for dummies like yourself. This chapter will be building a lemonade stand. Ooh, a lemonade stand. Right, that's what's coming. So yeah, just getting a zoom into my face. I just see that with the fans. Okay. Guys, enough messing around. See this. Building a lemonade stand. So while working on your random weather forecast in your lunch app, you came up with a genius business idea. You combine the two programs to open a lemonade stand. Whoa, what? A lemonade stand? Wow, that's beautiful. It's a local weather forecast of Anytown. You should have an advantage over every other lemonade stand in the area. Here's how it works. You buy more lemonade when it's hot out. You're also willing to pay more money to buy lemonade when it's hot out. By setting your lemonade's price and deciding how much lemonade to make based on the weather, you can maximize your profit and minimize waste potential. This chapter you learn how to build a lemonade stand game. So obviously gonna go in VS Studios. So obviously you actually have something called Dummies source code zip, right? So you download the PDF, Dummies source code zip, download the PDF, right? Download it and then just extract it, copy it, and then paste it onto the folder called second book, and then you'll see everything on VS Studios, right? So basically, take a look at the weather forecast for the week in the top part of the result pane. Enter a number the field labeled how many glasses of lemonade you want to make this week. So obviously remember that you're making lemonade for the whole week, so the number should be large enough that should run out of lemonade before Friday hit. Try different quantities, including some values in the hundreds, and the price you want to charge per glass. Cost how much you want to make per glass is 50 cents. So make sure you price your lemonade higher than what it costs you to make it. So click the open the stand button, then a report of your daily and weekly sales will be displayed. Note the last line of the report which tells how much profit you made. Number greater than 0 is negative. If it's greater than 0, good job. Try changing the price per glass of the number of glasses you make based on the results you got, and click open the stand again. Now that you've seen the lemonade stand program in action, let's back up and talk about a few math and business ideas that the game is based on. So we're just gonna glaze over that, because you pretty much know what it is, right? So obviously you need to understand your target market. That's what it's saying, right? So you need to have like different reasons you're pulling factors into why your customers want to buy from you. Basically your 4 P's: price, place, product, and product and promotion, right? See, I'm a business student as well. Or to make a game out of lemonade stand, maybe focus on just a few of the many factors involved in the process, making a profit. Profit is what's left over from total revenue for business, all the money that comes in after expenses, everything that the business spends on. Lemonade stand, you may have all the following expenses: lemon, sugar, ice cups. Okay. So understand the math. Wait, so you understand, so profits was left over from the total revenue of the business, all the money that comes after expenses, right? You have many expenses like and some maintenance. right? And calculate that when you combine all expenses, the cost for you to make a cup of lemonade is about 50 cents. Make back your investment. You earn at least 50 cents for each glass of lemonade that you make. As you know, temperature in time changes all the time. One thing's for sure, the higher it gets, the more lemonade people buy. But if the price of lemonade is high, people won't buy it. As a lemonade stand owner, your goal is to figure out how much lemonade to make and how much to charge for it in order to make the greatest profit. So here's the basic formula that our game used to calculate how much lemonade is sold each day. Glass sold is temperature divided by price. Example, if the temperature is 100 degrees and the price of lemonade is $2, the math looks like this. You as if I'm an American. I wish, I'm joking. Glass is sold 100 divided by 2, so it should be the glass of lemonade. However, temperature is lower than say degrees. The formula looks like this. Glass sold 50 divided by 2. The result is that you only sold 25 glasses of lemonade. If you know the price of lemonade is $1, the math looks like this. Glasses sold 50 divided by 1. The result is that you can sell 50 glasses of lemonade at the lower price when the temperature is lower. Right? We're not doing this. So for your JavaScript, right? Create globals an array of days of the week, right? So your globals are here, right? We have days of the weeks and array of weather types. We have maximum temperature values, the cost of making a cup of lemonade, and we told actual daily temperatures, right? So create days of week array. So you're gonna create comments for the variables. Here's your comment, create days of week, define types of weather, a set minimum and maximum temperature. Cost to you of a cup of lemonade array for storing daily temps. They're gonna do your variables, right? Okay. So here's your variable. Variable days equals Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Right, then under the next comment, create array. Descriptions of weather. Here's our array. Example of variable weather. A sunny, partially sunny, partly cloudy, cloudy, raining, snowing, thunderstorm, and foggy. Example code of variable maximum temp, minimum temp, then variable lemonade cost, variable daily temp. The globes have been created. So create days of week array. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Define types of weather, right? So your globals for the JavaScript have been created, right? It's gonna look like this. Variables, variable weather, map, max temp, variable min temp, level cost, array for storing daily temps, variable daily temp, then generating weather, right? So I come describing the purpose of the function. It generates weather for the whole week. Function general weather, then variable weather today. So here's going to be your full loop. Your full loop is going to look like that. Temperature for today, daily temp, down, and then get by ID, right? And now you're going to build a lemonade stand. Called update sacred work. It's going to look like this. That's your JavaScript, right? The complete globals and the general weather function. This is your complete function, right? So calculate price of lemonade sold. So here's your function, right? variables class total class left view variables, clear previous results, right? And then get input variable number of classes, class price full variable, class sold, math floor, daily temp, class price. How many classes do we have now? Can some more than we have if class sold, class left, class sold, class left. Increase the daily total classes, class sold, total classes, display daily total. Document get element ID, got that, and then display results, right? Then open the stand function as well. Yeah, so here you go. That's what you've got, right? That's what you have. The result form function, display a report, var revenue, var expense, var leftover, var profit revenue expense. Print out the weekly report. Document get element ID, so then we calculate results and display report. Then we got that. Got you. That's what gets displayed there, right? And you got your CS. Right, that's what we have. So function, this is gonna be your main JS. Create days of week array. You got that, right? So obviously that's what it's gonna look like. Right, and then yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. Body, divide ID, 5D weather, BR clear all form classes. How many classes do we need? Do you want to make this week? My number of classes. Think big, price. So basically this is what it's gonna look like. Right, in your HTML and in your style CSS. That's what it's gonna look like as well. That's what it's gonna look like. I just want to add a few down. So your word type, flow, border, padding, font family, font size. So you probably think to yourself, or more or less me, I'm thinking to myself, how do you get this function to basically how do you get that function to basically get joined up with this one, right? So sim 4 and sim 99. So you're gonna go up to your 18, right? Then you can see your event listener, as you can see. So your event listener is right, it's basically a callback on an argument, right? That will be invoked when the events dispatch. So basically it's an argument that will be, it's basically a prompt function that will be be initiated once a certain event takes place. Right, so be dispatched as soon as the event takes place. Like, so for example, click, right, the document. So obviously that's your variable document, right? So that's pretty much your variable document. That's what you're pretty much getting, right? That's what you're pretty much getting from your index. Yeah, that's what you're pretty much getting. So you open the stand, add event listener. So you event listener, right? Document, get them, ID open the stand, add event listener, click open the stand, right? That's what it look like, right? So that's how come to be. So let's see, right? Let's see, right? And then it's gonna look like that. Okay. Okay, alright, okay. So as you can see here, there are different variations. So your for loop, right, it's responsible for your infinite values, right? That's what it's responsible for. Then your math random, right? Well, today math random, or math random is responsible for the random values in regards to your weather and your degrees. So how many classes of lemonade do you want to make this week? 10 classes. You charge for class per week. So I'll charge like, let's say $1.50 in the stands. Be sold. So that's basically what you gotta get. And yeah. So this is your input value, right? Your resulting value. That was triggered by this. This is what triggered it, right? So it's inspected in our elements, right? So basically identification key results, right? So that's our results is your order form. So this is the result, right? In our elements is the result. Then here's your order form. Then yeah. That's what you're left with. Hey, I mean, how $20. You can finally afford anything now. Yeah. Thank you very much for your time. I truly appreciate it. Hope you guys will enjoy. Hope everyone watch my video will enjoy the rest and the rest of your night actually because it's night time. Take care and God bless. Thank you.